How to download all of your Facebook information and your Messenger photos all at once. So in order to download all of your photos from Messenger at once, you need to access to your information on Facebook. So first open your Facebook and then go to your profile, tap on settings to open your settings, scroll all the way down until you find your information. Here you can see the option to access your information and also download your info. So you just click on download on info, then continue, and this will open the new meta page. This will take you to your download information. So as you can see, I've already requested a information for my messengers, so I'm going to show you how to do that. First, tap on download or transfer information, then choose your Facebook. This time I'm gonna do Instagram because I've already done Facebook, so I'm just going to show you on Instagram. And you can tap to see your available information, but you can choose your specific type of information. If you don't just want the messages, you will have to tap on messages and tap on next. And you can directly download it to your device, or you can download it to your Google Drive or Dropbox. For now, I'm just going to download it directly to my device. Tap on next, and this will make sure you will keep the format on HTML. So you can also choose your quality according to your choice. Higher quality may take longer to download, so keep that in mind. And then you create file. Once you do this, after a few days, max of 4 days, Facebook will send you your information and you'll be able to download all of your Messenger photos from here at once. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.